Today I'm going to teach you how to run long distances. Hi, I'm Noe, and today I'm going to teach you how to run long distances. First, you need to make sure you dress properly. Make sure that if it's cold, to wear warm clothes, and if it's hot, to wear cool clothes so that you won't get overheated. Make sure you have the proper shoes. Don't run in sandals or anything like that because then they'll hurt your feet. I like to have a light protein snack about an hour before my run. And I also like to stay hydrated by taking water before and after my run. Here are some stretches I like to do before my run so that my legs won't get too tight. So first I do a lunge, and then I put my foot down and stretch my hip. This will help all that leg stretch out. And then I do it on my other leg. And then I'll do some of these stretches that stretch my hamstring. A pike is really good to stretch all of your under part, and you just pull your feet and lay over. So those are like some of the main stretches I like to do before running. So now we want to plan our run. Make sure you have a route before running. And start out slow and build yourself up. Take big steps when you run so you're not always pounding on your feet. And pump your arms, it also helps out your legs. Make sure to take deep breaths while you run so that you're not taking short breaths and you can't breathe. I also like to set a good pace I can keep for a while so that I don't start out really fast and end up not being able to keep that pace. If you get tired, don't stop and wait. Keep a slow walk or a fast walk and build yourself up back to running. Challenge yourself each time to run more and more and have fun with it.